Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT with YouTube automation to make money with affiliate marketing. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to make a YouTube channel. So to make a YouTube channel, you can just come to your YouTube at youtube.com and make a channel from here. So when you will make, so for example, uh, to make our automation channel without your face, we have to make a automation type of channel. So here I selected this gadget type of channel. Here the person is showing only the gadget and the voiceover, and this channel has 85,000 subscriber, and we can see their earnings also. So here we can just go as social blade and we can check. So here we can see they are making about 9k dollar. Okay, $9,000 they're making a month, or a $560. So this is okay earning for this channel. What this is having 85k subscriber only. So here you can see. So here you can see we have to go to chat GPT and we will select like here search as here uh tell me 5 automation channels, YouTube channel genre to make money. Okay, so here we are telling 5 automation channel. So ChatGPT will tell me. So here we can see at tech and animation page is the best. You can see they will give you YouTube revenue. If you want to monetize, you can just buy private monetization stuff that comes online. So from here you can see we have to make a channel about automation. So to make the channel and the script, we will make a new chat. So here we can see we have to just do new chat. So we will write uh, 5-minute YouTube video on top 5 gadgets under $50. Oh, not good. So here you can see ChatGPT is providing a code. You can just see. So here you can see here is a site called as, here we can just see as FE affiliate Expedia. So this site you can see this Expedia group. It provides a traveling package and all things. You can just promote in your site, and they have also affiliate schemes also. You can just join them and make thousands of money for people's planning and making the trips. So you can just use this. So you can see this is a very big site. Travago and other car rentals and e-bookers are also combined with this. So you can just join their affiliate with, you can just to partner with us. So here you can see here you have to select the field, and then you can just I contact their partners, and you can say that I have a YouTube channel, I'm doing that, or if I gain you one customer, how much you will give. So you will settle from that, and you can make. So here we can see we have here our all codings. You can see at the aerial scene the host standing in front of a backdrop featuring technological related imagery. So here you can see, hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we have an exciting YouTube lined up for you. We will showcasing the first top 5 gadgets that you can buy under $50. That's right, affordable tech that wouldn't break the bank. Let's dive into it. So the the host holding the gadget. So you can just make this type of video using here as a text to speech type of AI. And just go to text to speech AI. You can just search. So here you can see they have services. So we can just choose any service. So you can see text to speech. Here is firmware editor. They are providing us text to speech service. You can just convert the text file over a speech. So you can just download this software if you want. You can just, if you want to use this online, you can just continue. And here you have to just choose a decent voice that you're using for the video, and the voice should be a good. Okay, so here you can see, just select the female voice or male voice, whatever you want. You can do next. So here you are content creation, text to speech. So here we are try for free. Okay, so here it is log in with our mail. So I'm using my Google account. So here I'm checking my mail. So here you can see the given 3 days prior trial. So we are searching for a free. So search for free. So here you can see this natural relay is free. So you can just copy the script. So you can just copy the first line. Like here you can just copy this. So here you can see we are here. You can just change the voice. So you can listen from here. So I will change from here. So here you can select the voice and just do the output within saving here. Then just log in here and make a YouTube video every 5 minutes, and then you can just open your editor and just find the videos for free, and then you can just make automation channel and you can generate the revenue. So it will take time, but when it will be made a big level, so that will be like a top level business, and you can earn up to like $1,000 a day or $2,000 a day. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.